Hi, I'm Carol Baker. I'm 63 years old and I am a regular practicer of meditation. I practice meditation every single day. I started with 5 minutes a day and I built up, and now I'm at 30 minutes a day. But I don't think that's really relevant. Once you start practicing meditation, you're going to love it so much that the time doesn't even matter. It has been a huge benefit in my life. I want to take you back in time and explain how I got started meditating. So I've been a social media professional for more than 10 years now, and I was invited to speak at Miraval Spa in Tucson, Arizona on the subject of mindfulness and balance in social media, which is an oxymoron. Am I right? It really is. So before I gave my talk at Miraval, I really had to get very centered and very balanced and very zen in order to teach what it means to have mindfulness and balance in social media, because we all know it's the opposite of that. So I decided to start practicing meditation every day, and that's how I started practicing, because I had to be and embody mindfulness and balance before I could give a talk on it. And so as I started practicing meditation, the ideas started flowing into my mind. As I just kept it empty and I sat in a meditative pose, and I had to keep a yellow pad next to me, and the ideas and the content for the talk on balance and mindfulness in social media, the content all came to me in meditation. So I believe that meditation is a huge, fantastic opportunity to shut off the messages that you've got programmed in your head, and to be open and receptive to what some call God or the universe, and to accept that information that's right there, that's waiting to be given to you. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps you. And if you'd like to be one of the 1,000 women that I'm looking for to teach and guide into practicing meditation, please send me a message. Thank you.